Hi guys, it's Lori here from The Lori Show. I'm doing something a little different, a slightly different topic that keeps on popping up in a lot of videos that I've been watching. So if you know any of my videos, I am very into a few key themes. So my first key theme would be positivity. I'm very much into the law of attraction, which is hand in hand with positivity. And I'm also into happiness, but also being financially free and finding that these multiple streams of income that will lead you to a place where you can do the things that make you happy, do the things that raise your vibration, that activate the law of attraction, that bring all the happy things to you. So today's video, I want to talk about passive income ideas. And there's 5 in particular. Check out my bow. There's 5 in particular that I use. Okay, sorry for the shaky camera. I'm at work and I just got an inspiration. Had to make this quick video. The first one, all of these are like minimal amounts of money that you have to put into it. Very minimal investment. And I'm gonna put links and more actual concrete detail into my actual blog that goes along with this. So please see the link in the description of my blog. So the first out of these 5 ways that I have created passive income for myself, number 1 is blogging. Okay, so blogging is something I love to do. I have 2 active blogs. One of them is www.abpositive.com, and it's linked with my Facebook account, my Facebook group, AB Positive. Okay, so in blogging, the way you make money and the way it becomes passive income is that you can put affiliate links. And the way to do this is there's 2 main ways that I do it. I use Amazon with their affiliate program. And I, again, will post a link to that and how to do it. It's very easy. You don't even really have to qualify for it. You can just sign up. And what happens is the way you qualify is that you have to make a certain number of, I think it's 3 qualifying sales in the first 90 days or 3 months. Okay. So the first time I signed up, I didn't even get those 3 sales. But as you learn about SEO and how to attract more attention to your website, to your blog, then you have less problems with that. So now I am qualified and I am getting some affiliate marketing sales. Okay. So blogging is the first way. Number 2 is Etsy. So through Etsy, it's not a completely passive income, but it's me sort of like an entrepreneurial idea where you make something that you love, you make something that makes you happy. And the idea is that if the idea catches on or somebody sees it that wants to copyright it or use it, then you can make royalties off of your ideas as well. You can also sell on Etsy, aside from crafts and soap and things like that, you can sell digital products. And that's where the real passive income is. In a digital product, you make it once and sell it hundreds of times, thousands of times. There's other really neat platforms where you can sell digital products, like I'm a teacher, so I use teacherspayteachers.com, and it's really neat because it puts a preview up for you. It does a lot of the work for you. There's also a free membership version of that, and I'm not even sure if you have to be a teacher to do that. Like, you can be a person who just sells items to teachers. Sorry, my shirt's falling down here. Okay. Oh, I look a little bit like a bum today. I shouldn't say things about myself, self-deprecating things. I tend to do that. I got to be careful. Positivity. Okay, and self-love. The third thing that that I do is I have 2 self-published books on Amazon. And you get royalties. First of all, I get royalties because I'll post them as affiliate links. And aside from getting royalties on my own sales, I am making money from the sales of them. Okay, so when you make an ebook or a print-on-demand book with Amazon, they don't charge you in advance. You don't have to pay in the past. A vanity publisher would charge you $2,000 to do a simple book, and it didn't even look that great sometimes. Amazon does a great job. I think I have a copy of one of mine here. Let me just see. Yep. I don't have my other one. I'm seeing my office is kind of a disaster. That's okay. It's not just my office. This is my second book doing. So I created it out of pure inspired action. And that was it. Inspired action. Just do it. Oh, my next idea, which I haven't started doing yet, was to sell an online course. I've been studying a few different topics related to the law of attraction, related to chakras and Reiki, and positive psychology. And I also have a psychology degree. And I do feel that a lot of the methods in positive psychology, very, very effective. They're related to the law of attraction, but they're also really, what's the word I'm looking for? Realistic or performance-based, where you can see the results pretty quickly, because people tend to want that. They tend to want to see results, and they want to see the fruits of their labor. You know, just saying, you know, visualize and visualize. Yes, I love the idea. I love visualizing. But some people just think it's pie in the sky, and you cannot convince them otherwise. You give them a little task to do, like make a list of this, you know, of the things you're grateful for. They work better with that because it's a real concrete task. So with that being said, my course that I'm working on putting together will be out, you know, I'm hoping for June. I know it's far away, but I'm a teacher. June is like my little break time, right? So before that though, my book called 30 Days to a Happier You will be out before that. So I'm thinking to make my course kind of go hand in hand with that book. And it's being published through a publisher called Dreaming Big. I'm very, very excited because it's my first non-self-published book. I mean, I'm just so excited. I'm actually publishing it together. My sister and I wrote it together. My twin sister, Kara. This is her. Hilarious. Idea number 5 for passive income is something that I just set up, is to get into buying stocks. I'm going to say it out loud. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to share this idea to the universe. But I had an inspired idea that I need to invest in stocks. What popped in my head was Elon Musk. And then 2 minutes later, and I said this in another video, it's 2 minutes later, the song came on. It's a new song that Elon Musk produced, I guess, or created. I don't know. It's called Don't Doubt Your Vibe. I love it. I love it. And it inspired me. And I thought, I need to invest in Tesla. I need to invest in Elon. And then the next day I was watching a video by, oh my gosh, I don't remember his name. I'll post it here. And he said that he too had the same inspiration to invest in Tesla. Like the same 3 words, invest in Tesla. I'm setting up an investor account. I'm going on the weekend to go do that. And I'm really excited. So that's my next kind of passive income idea that I'm doing. So 3 out of those 5 I have going already. And the last 2 I'm working on getting ready. And, you know, by June, I'll have all 5 going. And I mean, I'm really excited. I mean, I'm at work right now making money at my job. And I'm making money at things that I'm not even doing. That's the idea. And I'm going to do another video later on of other ideas for passive income of which I'm not participating in, but I do want to learn more. Or maybe I'll just find a nice video and make a nice little playlist for you guys, okay? So please stay tuned for my next video and my path to riches. I also have bonus videos. I'm going to be trying to post every single day, but at least Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 11 a.m. Okay, guys? Be positive. If you liked anything you saw, give a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. Please subscribe if you are so inclined. Love you guys.